The last area we're going to talk about is cognitive engagement, and although we said that this isn't necessarily an area in which we need to grow, there are some things that we want to point out within this particular category. So we're going to go through the categories, the subcategories actually. I'm going to go from lowest of completely true to highest. So if we look at the subsets here, the fourth one down says 26% of students said it's completely true that once in a while they stop and go over what they're doing while working on their schoolwork. So it's really important that we get those mostly true students to completely true so that they're thinking about their thinking. They're understanding what it is what they're doing and how to move forward from that part. The next one is the last one. 29% of students said completely true. And that is saying that if what I'm working on is difficult to understand, I change how I learn the material. We want students to really feel that at any given moment they can say, this isn't working for me, what can I do differently, what materials can I use that will help me, is it better for me to do something without technology or with. The third one, as we go up, is the second one, 30% completely true. It says, when I study, I make up my own examples to help me understand the concepts. Do students learn best if they make a song up, if they work with a partner, if they make study cards, anything like that? Maybe technology helps them in this sense. The fourth highest number, we go down to the third one. It's 40% completely true. The students say, before I start to study, I think about what I want to get done. So what is the purpose of their studying? How are they best going to study? And that's a really great way to have students prepare. Going back really quickly to the 30%, when I study, I make up my own examples there. Well, actually, no, let's go back down here. So the one we just talked about, before I start to study, that's when that goal setting and reflection piece will come in, and we talked about that in another video. So once students start to set goals, and then they go back and look at those goals and reflect on the progress that they've made, I think that number of 40% completely true will actually get a lot better. All right, and the last one is the 40% completely true. That was a really great number, some good data there, that when I do schoolwork, I try to relate what I'm learning to my own experiences and what I already know. That's a really great thing when you start your unit. Talk about background knowledge and schema, so what the students know and how they can relate it to what they're about to learn.